A Maytag dryer that keeps stopping can be caused by several issues, including a faulty door switch, power supply problems, or a defective motor. To address these problems, start by replacing the door switch if it's malfunctioning, as this can cause the dryer to think the door is open and stop prematurely. To do this, power off the dryer, remove the top panel, and locate the door switch on the front panel. Check for visible damage or wear, and test the switch with a multimeter to see if it lacks continuity. If necessary, replace the door switch with a new one. Next, inspect the power supply, as an unstable connection can cause the dryer to stop constantly. Ensure the dryer is firmly plugged into a functioning power outlet, and check the power cord for signs of damage or melting, replacing it if necessary. Additionally, consider replacing the circuit breaker if it's weak. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the motor may be to blame. Over time, the motor can wear out and become damaged, causing it to overheat and resulting in the dryer stopping. To diagnose this, inspect the motor and test it for continuity using a multimeter. If the motor is faulty, replace it. A buzzing sound from the motor can also indicate overheating. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Maytag dryer that keeps stopping.